Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about Cypress of futures. What all the futures are presented in Cypress? See, when you are coming for cypress.io slash futures, you can able to see this particular uh, thing in the down section. When you come up, it is presented here, but when you come down, you can able to see this all the future sessions. Okay. In this section, it is basically a time travel. What exactly a time travel provided by Cypress means? You run the program, okay? When you run the program, by default, like it is running the script step by step, right? But when you completed the test cases, but you can't do for back to see what are the steps you completed. You need to check for the code, what are the steps you written, right? But you can't see that what are the steps it is executed. But a Cypress is provided for snapshot to see the all the steps, what are the steps we executed already. Those things we can able to see a step by step by using a time traveling. Okay, it will provide for all the steps in a command line. There you can able to see that. And real-time reloading pages. Real-time reloading page is nothing but you can say like now you run the program, compare the Selenium. When you come running for the Selenium, you will see that some failure and you need to reload one more time for fixing that same browser. It is not possible, right? It will stop the complete execution. But when you coming to the Cypress, when it is failing something and we can able to take the value and we can able to refresh same thing and you can able to immediately save. Once you done the save, it will immediately it will load. Okay, and sparks and stubs and clocks means we can able to do for server related response timers like what we can able to say for the stubs and like that, right? Now you are running something for some cat or catalog adding some items, or we can able to say like a payment, right? When you are running doing some payment time, there is a problem with your stub like network issue or something, but we can able to use for Cypress to backend we can able to run this particular one. We can able to like we can create virtual similar format of one and we can able to use it and this one. And also consistent result is nothing but when you are running a program a multiple time again and again and again in Java some other languages. Okay, what will happen will not get for same result. But when you are using for Cypress, we'll get for every time the same result. Okay, because we are not using for Selenium or WebDriver. Debuggability. Stopping guess why we test. Debug directly from the familiar tools like Chrome developer tools and our readable errors and stack tracks makes debugging lightly fast. Means we can able to like what we can say. Just now I told you, right? Or something the web element is not finding. The test cases failed, right? But we the same browser which is the Cypress is open, the same browser we can able to open that developer tools and we can able to inspect that particular element and we can able to do for checking. Okay, automating waiting. Automating waitings means nothing but whenever you run something the program, when you run the program and we need to use Selenium side, we need to use explicitly we need to in, introduce for that weights implicitly and explicitly fluent weight. Those things we need to use it in the coding style. But when you use the Cypress, no need to use for weighting because it is having inbuilt of weight technique. Means whenever you run the program, it will having some default checking the time it will support it. Network traffic also we can able to do it quickly. Okay, something the network is hacked, something it is happened, then we can able to same network traffic in the backend, we can able to use it. And another great feature is it will take for every step execution as a snapshot and also video for that. Okay, and this is the main feature for the Cypress. And this all about for features for Cypress. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.